Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a credit card terminal with Wells Fargo Merchant Services easy tutorial step-by-step clear. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment for the installation. Make sure you have your credit card terminal, power adapter, and network connection ready. Locate the power port on your credit card terminal. Plug the power adapter into the terminal and connect it to a power outlet. Next, check the connection options available on your terminal. If your terminal uses a phone line, connect one end of the phone cable to the terminal and the other end to your phone jack. For Ethernet connections, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the terminal and the other end into your router. If your terminal supports Wi-Fi, navigate to the Settings menu to connect it to your wireless network. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on the terminal's display. Power on the terminal by pressing the designated button. Allow a few moments for the terminal to boot up and connect to the network. Locate the Test Transaction option in the menu to verify everything is functioning correctly. Swipe or insert a test card to ensure the terminal processes the transaction smoothly. Review the transaction receipt for any error messages or issues. If there are no issues, your terminal is ready for use. If you encounter any problems, consult the user manual or contact Wells Fargo Merchant Services for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.